Hello and welcome. My name is Corey Wade. Have you ever heard music that feels like you're floating in space? Maybe what you were hearing was the whole tone scale. So what is the whole tone scale? The whole tone scale is a 6-note scale, which makes it quite unique and very special. If we have a look at our standard scale, it's 7 notes long. The whole tone scale is 6 notes long, and this opens up some really interesting possibilities for us. So to understand how the whole tone scale kind of works, if we just have a look at the collection of notes that makes up our Western system of music, it's 12 pitches long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Before 13 we get back to our original starting point, in this case C. So that's 12 notes. Now the whole tone scale is 6 notes, so it's evenly distributed over the 12 pitch collection. And so it actually gives us this, it doesn't allow us to have a tonic or a tonal center or a gravity point, which is really cool because it gives us this ambiguous, floating, dreamy-like texture that we can play around with. So why is it called the whole tone scale? Well, if we start on C, for example, and go up a semitone and another semitone, that's a whole tone. And we go up another semi and another semi, that's another whole tone. Semi, whole tone, semi, whole tone, semi, whole tone. And there you go. The whole tone scale is revealed by its name, whole tone steps, whole tone scale. Now, another really cool part of the whole tone scale is that we only need to know 2 to get all 12 key signatures covered. But let's just have a look at this one again for a moment. I call this one the 3 and 3 whole tone scale because we've got 3 whites and 3 blacks. You can kind of see that very easily. And the other whole tone scale, it's also known as the C whole tone scale. We can look at it a lot from that perspective. The other whole tone scale is the 2 and 4, or also known as the D flat whole tone scale. And between these two collections, that whole tone scale and that one, we have all 12 pitches covered, right? Very cool. So that thing that I did at the start, all I was doing was I was rolling around on top of the 3 and 3 whole tone scale. Now I'll leave you with this. There are 2 whole tone scales that give us access to all 12 key signatures. It's directionless and ambiguous and dreamy, and they're mathematically just one semitone different from each other, both very symmetrical. But I'll leave you with this. This whole tone scale is possibly more symmetrical and more easily connected to, more vanilla, and this whole tone scale is a little bit more dark, has a bit more of an edgy possibility to it, a little bit asymmetrical in a way. It's to do with geography and psychoacoustics. I will just leave you with that little thought, and if you're interested in discovering more, come and check out my Patreon page. Ciao.